Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful, like different handbags, like sunflower looks and different flowers looks. So I hope you like it. Different styles and different fashion styles handbags for girls and women designing and uh, like as a gifting, if you're looking for a gift, consider gifting a stylish handbags to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade option. uh, Learn how to pair different handbag styles with outfits to create stylish looks for various ascensions. Feel free to ask for more information or details on any of these ideas. Here are some more creative ideas relate to handbags and organize a handbag shop event and event with friends or within your different community styles. Look, everyone can bring gently used handbags to exchange with others, giving everyone a chance to refresh their collection without spending money. So, different ideas and different styles looks, and as a gifting style. And here are some ideas related to crochet handbags. So I hope you like it my video. Take care and bye bye, see you soon.